Thanks for joining New Jersey News Network. I'm Jennifer Marin. Governor Murphy today announced over 3,000 additional coronavirus cases in New Jersey. That brings our statewide total to 16,636. He also announced an additional 37 deaths, bringing the new death toll to 198. The two FEMA-funded testing sites, the PNC Bank Arts Center and the site at the Bergen County Community College, will be operating on a staggered schedule. Tomorrow, only the Bergen County College drive-through site will be open. Folks have to be symptomatic to be tested. It'll be open at 8 a.m. and only 500 people will be tested. Governor Murphy says these new steps are to preserve the health and safety of the folks who are working at these sites. And Governor Murphy also updated and clarified his Executive Order 107. He's now saying auto dealerships will be allowed to conduct online or remote sales and deliver the cars to the buyers. Realtors can show homes to single-family buyers, but they can't put on any open houses. As for firearm shops, starting tomorrow at 8 a.m., they can operate due to federal guidelines, but they can only do so by appointment and during limited hours. The governor also stressing that golf courses must remain closed. And Governor Murphy also touched upon the critical need for personal protective equipment at hospitals and for first responders. He's now urging all New Jersey residents to report any instance of unlawful hoarding of medical supplies as well as price gouging in the state by calling 866-720-5721. People can also email disaster@leo.gov. And during today's briefing, the superintendent of the New Jersey State Police spoke about some recent violations. He says since Governor Murphy's executive order was announced, the department has seen 70 compliance issues, and 34 of those are indictable offenses. Here's the latest as of the overnight.
There was an incident in Harrington Park where a male subject was arrested for driving under the influence. While being processed, he coughed in the direction of the officers and claimed to be COVID positive. There was also an incident in Lakewood. Lakewood Police Department responded to a gathering of 40 to 50 people. It was a bat mitzvah that resulted in a child neglect charge as well as the charge for violating the governor's executive order. Bridgeton, there was a gym that had an Herbalife session going on. That runner of that gym was charged, and in Woodbridge there was a barber shop that was open and that subject was charged.
And a new testing site is now open at Ocean County College, but to get tested there, the restrictions are far stricter than at other sites. Heather Fordham explains the details.
A drive-through testing site for the coronavirus is open at Ocean County College for Ocean County residents. Unlike other testing sites across the state, there are tighter restrictions in place. You must be an Ocean County resident, have a prescription from a healthcare provider, and register for an appointment through the health department's website.
Everybody is adhering to their registration time, which is much appreciated. And there really was no backlog, and cars were coming in steadily and being processed and being tested and moved right out. So it was going very, very smoothly.
Through a contract with BioReference Labs, the Ocean County site will be able to test up to 140 residents per day. First responders and healthcare providers can also be tested daily from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. before the site opens.
We should be able to continue to do this while the demand is there for the residents of Ocean County.
The regional testing centers that are being ran by FEMA at the Bergen Community College and PNC Bank Arts Center will now be operating on an every other day schedule to preserve the safety and health of healthcare personnel. Every Saturday, the PNC Bank Arts Center site will be open to symptomatic healthcare workers and first responders only. Both sites will be able to test 500 people beginning at 8 a.m. Visit our website at njnn.tv for more details on COVID-19 testing centers across the Garden State. In Ocean County, Heather Fordham, New Jersey News Network.
And now to some great news out of Middlesex. This video was posted on Facebook by Leanna Cusack. In it, she shows the township of Monroe Police and Fire Departments putting on a social distancing birthday parade for her nieces Morgan and Bryn and her nephew Jager. They even had fireworks. How amazing is that? She says she's forever grateful for the 15-minute parade that made the children's day so special. And it's always so great to see those acts of kindness. So folks, make sure you keep posting those because we love to share them with all of our viewers. And of course, stick with us for more updates on COVID-19 across the Garden State. I'm Jennifer Marin.